Another beautiful and a mind-blowing project is a farming airdrop or a mining airdrop. The name is Opal Chain. That's the name. Okay, so not quite long this airdrop came on board. Good. I want to show you guys how to navigate this airdrop, how to farm it or mine it. Some people be finding it difficult on how to go about it. So I want you to follow this video. Watch this video from the beginning to the end. Okay, so that you can get every details about it and go ahead and sign up on your own without finding it difficult. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share, okay, to support the channel to grow. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming around to watch our videos. Let's proceed, okay. I signed up last night. Today is Saturday morning. I signed up last night, so I want to show you guys. Let's proceed. We want to go. All right, when you come to home, this is home. Okay, you click on home. This interface we are now is home. Are you getting this interface? Please, why are you registering? Why signing up? Sign up with your real name, complete real name, as it is on your BVN. So it will be on this very airdrop, okay? On this very mining, this Opal Chain mining. The way it is on your bank verification, that's how it's going to be here, because you are going to do KYC. You're going to do KYC on this very airdrop we are mining now. It's a new airdrop. You are not late, okay? You are not late. You are not late. You come every 12 hours to activate the mining, okay? So this is my interface. This is Opal Chain. All right. As you can see from here, okay, I use my name the way it is on BVN here. So let's proceed. Every 12 hours you come and activate the mining here. Are you getting me? Then you see a token you will claim here. You tap on the claim token. It will go to your balance. All right, let's proceed. Okay, just make sure you watch this video from the beginning to end. Follow them on all these their social media handle. They are on Twitter, that's X. They are on Telegram. They are on YouTube. So you can subscribe to their YouTube channel. You can give them a follow. You can follow them up on Telegram. You can follow them up on Twitter. Are you getting it? Good and fine. Let's proceed. Okay, you can see that they definitely will go through KYC. So use your real name. It says Opal Chain KYC complete guide to verification. Read down here. Okay, make sure you pay attention to what I'm showing you here now. It says in Opal Chain KYC complete guide to verification. Introduction in today's digital world. Know your customer is KYC now. Know your customer has become an essential process for every blockchain and fintech platform. Do you hear that? It ensures that users are real, authentic and trustworthy. I think that's one of the reasons of bringing in KYC most of the projects we are mining in your family. Okay, so don't be discouraged. Just go through. Feel free. Navigate through the app. Okay, what you don't understand, please drop your question in the comment section. I'll always be there to attend to every question. Okay. All right, I don't want this video to be long. Let's proceed. Let's proceed. If you click on wallet, let me click on wallet here. Let me click on wallet here. All right, let me click on wallet. All right, if you click on wallet, okay, this is your wallet. This project is exactly as Sidra. If you know you mix Sidra, please don't mix Opal Chain. If you know you mix Sidra, you didn't farm Sidra well. This is exactly as Sidra. Just check out the interface. Check out everything about the project. I just signed up last night, as I said before. Okay, it's just like just take a look, just like Sidra. Okay, then this is mine. This I just signed up. Okay, see, I've gotten 2. Can you see there of this Opal Chain? All right. Now, if you click on send here, when the time comes for us to, be cashing out our token, this is the place you'll be pasting you'll be asked to paste your receiver address. Okay. All right. Your address, the Opal Chain address. All right. Then Can you see this instruction here? Can you see this instruction here? Complete KYC verification to send tokens. That means if you don't pass your KYC on this Opal chain, you will not be able to receive and send out tokens. Okay, so it's exact as Sidra. Many of us, even including myself, we never took Sidra serious. It was at a climax of it, we now woke up. So this one is very, very fresh. This airdrop Opal chain is very, very fresh, new airdrop. My dear, farm it with everything in you. If no, you miss Sidra. Are you getting it? All right. All right. I have not done my KYC yet. See, the KYC verification required. As soon as I'm done with this video, I will look for a chance to run my own KYC. But you that sign up, please, you do your KYC at once, okay? So you don't forget. All right. So when you come to explore, this is the explore. This explore here. Okay, you click on this. Let's click on it and see what is there. All right. If you are looking for the project white paper, these are white paper. Remember what a white paper is? A documented, a written down document. Sorry, a written down document telling you everything about that particular project, the problem they are about to solve, their mission, their vision, okay, and everything, every other thing. So when we click on this, let me click on this white paper. I don't want this video to be too long. Go download. What is happening? Come on, download. Whichever. Download fast. Let's be patient. So this white paper will open up so that we can. All right, the Opal Chain vision. If you go through this white paper, say Opal Chain is a mobile first blockchain ecosystem designed for lightning fast transaction, institutional grade security, and radical transparency. It allows anyone to mine Opal tokens from smartphones and participate in an innovative born-to-earn model where tokens are born every 10 days to earn USDT reward. I hope you are getting the rema here. Now, this is a addressing market challenge. I don't want to go further because of I don't want this video to be long. Look at just calm down and go through this project, please. This is the Opal Chain tokenomics. All right, calm down, go through it. So I don't want this video to be long, brothers and sisters. Look at Opal Chain roadmap. This is a roadmap. If for those that are asking what is that, where is the roadmap, where is the white paper, see there, sit down, read it. Okay, if I should start breaking down all these things, this video will reach 1 hour. Okay, team and community, check out their their vision. Okay, check out their vision, their community, and every other thing. Okay, you say their vision, our vision: a global team of blockchain engineers, mobile developers, and fintech strategists building the most accessible, real-world ready blockchain for mobile users. Okay, then their community growth initiative is a 1 global ambassador program, 2 influencer-led adoption campaigns, educational materials for new users. So I don't want, if you look at this white paper, it's about 10 pages. It's very long, and that's why, in fact, wow, this project is loaded. Wow. Woo! Wow, 53% goes to the community. Wow. Oh, all right. Let's go back. Okay, so in future we are gonna stake this project also. It has taken a staking platform. Okay, so even with time, it has a bonding mechanism here. You do your KYC, okay, for you to be able to receive and transfer tokens out. So calm down, go through this project very, very well. It has a wallet here. Can you see? It has a wallet. Are you getting the rest of the things? The analytics, this script, and the rest of it. So let's proceed. Okay, if you click on this 3 line on the right hand side up, check out all these things: the home, wallet, send, explore, referrals. So here you get your referral. Here you get your referral link here. Click on that referrals, you get your referrals link, okay? Then click on this one, KYC portal. You come here and do your KYC, please. Come here and do your KYC. Sorry for that one I marked up. All right, so is there any other thing I've not explained? I'll be updating the community. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment.